So let's assume you want to work on these batteries right now. There are few things you are going to get available, not a sulfated battery, or you want to even know if this battery is still okay. You want to work on this battery. First of all, you need this. This is a clamp meter or a test meter, a multimeter. This. Secondly, you need this. This is a hydrometer. And thirdly, you need a charging source. So first of all, we are going to start working on this battery by first of all boosting, because this battery is totally drained. So we need to first of all boost the voltage a little bit, charge it a little bit. After charging it, then you read. By then you must have gotten your 12 volts or 12 point something volts. Then you check your electrolytes. Presently, this electrolyte reading is giving me 1225, which means that the acid concentration on this battery is definitely low. So there's a probability that these batteries can no longer hold charges with this kind of electrolyte on it. That's one. And secondly, you want to test the cells one after the other. You get your meter and set it to the DC part of your meter. Then you test the cells. Open the cells and test. For every cell that you test, you should have at least 2 volts or 2 point something volts in each cells. So right now on this cell I'm having 2.14 volts here. Checking the next one, 2.14 volts. Checking the other one, 2.14 volts. Checking the next one, 2.14 volts. Checking the last two, same 2.14 volts, which means that our battery can still work. The cells are still very okay. You're going to ask me how I'm doing this testing. You put one lead of this test lead on one cell and the other one on the second cell. So you repeat it like that till all the cells are complete. That's how you test your cells. If you have anything less than 2 volts, then on any of the cells, just know that that particular cell is bad, and there's nothing you can do about that battery anymore. Once one cell or 2 cells are damaged in the batteries, so just forget about that battery. There's nothing you can do. Now, since we are confirmed that our cells are okay, then we can now move to the next stage of working on the electrolytes. Either we pour everything out, or we just pour it out and rebalance it and pour it back. Balancing an electrolyte is another work on its own. You get it? It's another thing, it's another job on its own. Balancing or mixing an electrolyte is another job on its own. But if you can get a good electrolyte manufacturer, if you cannot do the mixture yourself, but me, I do the mixture by myself for these batteries. But if you cannot do that mixture by yourself, because your electrolytes on your hydrometer should be at least be on your 1250. That is where it should be. At least you should have 1250 on your hydrometer. Then after you have been able to change your electrolyte on these batteries, or done your mixture of electrolyte on this battery, then you put it to charge, leave it to fully charge. Then you can start to use discharge and discharge, and you will see that you